Welcome back to the realm of unapologetic power, the realm of Aisha Mustafa. This is your power space where you come to reclaim your throne, step into your coin energy, and reprogram your reality from the inside out. This is not just inspiration, it's an activation. You didn't find this video by accident, you were led here because something within you is ready to rise. Everything you see in your life is simple a mirror. Your relationships, your opportunities, your setbacks, your wins, they are all reflecting what's going on within you. So, if you want to change your life, it doesn't start out there, it starts within, with your beliefs, your self concepts, and your standards. Your outer world is a projection of your inner world. And today we are diving into the most powerful concept you will ever learn: how to put yourself on the pedestal in your own life. Most people walk through life chasing validation, chasing love, chasing opportunities, chasing approvals. But what they don't realize is they are putting everything and everyone above themselves. You want that job, you are thinking, I hope they pick me. You want that relationship, you are thinking, I hope they see me worth. And when they don't, you crumble. That's the problem. You have made yourself the extra in your own movie. But love, you are not the extra. You are the main character, the star, the CEO, the queen. It's your energy that set the tone for your world. The moment you stop outsourcing your value, you reclaim your power. Let me be clear. This is not arrogance. This is not narcissism. This is powerfully embodied self worth. Putting yourself on the pedestals doesn't mean looking down on others. It means refusing to look down on yourself. When you operate from this energy, you attract only that which is worthy of you. You are not chasing anymore, you are choosing. Because when you say, I am the prize, the universe has no choice but to respond to that vibration. A coin doesn't beg to be seen. She's so secure in who she is that the world can't look away. Every coin has a story. And the most powerful thing about that story is you are the one writing it. Your beliefs about yourself, they are either empowering you or quietly sabotaging you. So, if you are constantly doubting, comparing, minimizing, and or apologizing, it's time to rewrite that script. From I hope they choose me to I choose myself. From I don't know if I am enough to I am more than enough. And always have been. You don't need permission, you need embodiment. You need to stop replaying an old narrative and start broadcasting a new one. You are the author. You hold the pen and you write in gold ink. When you shift your internal dialogue, you shift the entire frequency of your reality. Say it with me. I am the standard. I am high value. I am blessing. Every room I walk into is elevated because of my presence. You are not asking for too much. You are simply asking the wrong people. The right energy won't question your worth, it will honor it. Everything that is not on your level, it will naturally fall away. Why? Because when you truly know your worth, you no longer entertain anything that doesn't match it. You become the vibe, not the victim. You become the source, not the seeker. Stop waiting for someone to see your greatness. Stop waiting for someone to get you. Stop waiting for a relationship, a job, or a moment to validate you. Your validation, it's internal. And the moment you give that to yourself, everything else start aligns. You don't wait for pedestal. You build it and then you stand on it boldly every single day. And when you stand tall, fully embodied, the world doesn't just notice, it adjusts. Want to rewire your self concept? Here where you start. Audit your thoughts. What are you telling yourself about who you are? Replace the lies with truth. Affirm your identity daily. I am powerful. I am chosen. I am more than enough. I am worthy of extraordinary things. Act as if. Embody the queen you know you are meant to be. This is deep internal work, but you are capable of it. Because your transformation doesn't come from fixing what's broken, it comes from uncovering what's have been buried. Your power has always been there. Now it's time to turn the volume all the way up. Here, what I want you to remember: you are the center of your own universe. You are the pedestal, not the prize someone wins, but the force that sets the standard. When you know your worth, the world adjusts to your new frequency. If something or someone doesn't align with that frequency, they simply can't access you. This is not rejection, that's protection. You don't get what you want by shrinking, you get it by rising. You get it by owning your voice. You get it by remembering who the hell you are. You are the architect of your future. So, build it bold, build it beautiful, build it queen-sized. Repeat after me. I am not born to blend in. I was born to break the mold. I was not born to wait. I was born to lead. I was not born to chase. I was born to attract. I am the queen. I am the standard. And my reign starts now. If this message activated something inside you, I want you to do three things right now. Like this video so it reaches more queens like you. And comment below, I am the pedestal. Let the universe hear you. You are not here to settle. You are here to reign. Now, go show the world how a queen moves. Thank you for being here.